Alright, dog nuts. So this is a CCM transmission, 97, VR6 12 valve. I'm showing you how to remove the drive flanges and or output shafts. So what you're going to need are obviously some long bolts. They're going to be size bolt 8mm with a 13mm head, pitch thread 1.25. Pretty simple. No bolt, obviously. Manual says just to stick a cold chisel under there, but anyways, I'm just using this 1/4-inch flat bar. I'm gonna try to see if I can get. Oh, there we go. Get a little stand here, a little screwdriver, or not. Maybe this can of brake cleaner. Perfect. And you watch it move up. Oh, that's not gonna work. It worked for the other side. Use a screwdriver. Psych. On the other side. And it wants to walk off of the daggone thing. I need a bigger piece of metal. And just tighten until the dog clip pops. You'll probably have to go a little more, but you want to keep going side to side, work it back and forth. Leaking oil. A little bit in there. Slowly but surely. There she goes. I'll show you. Focus. Focus, please. Well, it won't focus, but there is a clip right there. It ends, as you can see. Why is this not focusing? Oh well. Yeah, definitely not focusing for some reason. Anyways. But yeah, that's basically it. And then to get it back on, get you a dowel rod or something, put it in there, whack it until she goes in. This ring has got to snap in, and you got to replace it every single time. And these bearings look actually phenomenal. There's really no marring at all or anything. So this transmission, which I've cleaned the frick out of, is mucho perfecto. Take these bolts out. Yeah, there is one other transmission, and they do have the bolt in the center there. And it's really easy. There's a spring on this piece here. It literally pops it out for you once that bolt is off. Much like the Mark IV generation. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Anything I can't find, I'm trying to post on the internet as a how-to. Leave your fucking feedback and comments in the section. Don't really care. See ya.